Good morning, guys. I hope you had a very good morning or day so far. My name is Emil and today I will show you my morning routine. And on my bed table I keep a glass of water in case I need it during the night, or I drink it all in the beginning of the morning to get my body started. I put on my robe. I look myself in the mirror and I secretly tell myself that I'm going to rock the day. And then I make my bed so it looks nice and neat. Checking simple tasks off early on in the morning is also very good for your mindset. So I'm curious, how many of you are making your bed in the morning? Please make a comment down below. Time to go downstairs in the kitchen and make some coffee and breakfast.
I'd always be waiting here.
Hey, here's the kitchen. First thing, I open the laptop. Next stop, the coffee machine. I love a good cup of coffee, so I invested in a very good coffee machine. I always drink cappuccino in the morning and it's with oat milk. Why am I drinking oat milk? Well, I think it tastes good and also it's good for the environment.
Every day I see it rise. I never thought it could be better.
I love the smell of coffee beans, especially when it's freshly grinded.
Even when we are apart, I will keep you in my heart.
I am practicing my barista skills.
The world at bay, just to see you smile again.
In case you're wondering why I'm making 2 cups of coffee, the other one is for Sarah. And the balloons in the background are my daughters. She is on vacation at her grandparents. I eat breakfast every single morning. Carbs are so important for your body and brain to function. For the base I prefer whole grain oatmeal. Around 10 almonds, jumbo raisins, chia seeds. I add a topping of seasonal fruits. Then I like some crispy granola to give a little bit of contrast to the oatmeal. And for my oatmeal, I also prefer oat milk. I always open my laptop in the morning so I can check up on urgent emails. After breakfast, I add some things on the shopping list. Then I go to the shower. These days you cannot wash your hands one time too many. I'm a big fan of second day beard. However, I like it to look groomed, so I shave the jawline and my chins. First I apply Rush shampoo. Time to add the conditioner. It has a cooling effect to the scalp. I apply a face scrub to refresh my skin. We have worked on a skincare product line for a few years now. Then I brush back my hair as the first thing. I like to keep my skin moisturized, makes me look younger and fresher. Today I apply Vilain Neon Pre-Styling Foam. It gives you heat protection, high volume and great control over your hairstyle. It's definitely worth spending a few minutes extra on the pre-styling every single morning. It will save you a lot of time during the day since you don't have to restyle your hair. By Vilain Revolution is the latest member of the By Vilain wax family. I like that wax because it's very easy to spread out through your hair, has high hold, matte finish, and it's very easy to reshape the hairstyle if you want that. If you haven't yet, go buy a skeleton brush or a 9-row brush. It's very important for the final details. It's what makes the difference. Now I go upstairs to my living room. I change to some sportswear. Now I'm ready for a quick 15 minutes workout. So this is what I do. First I start stretching a little bit. And then I take some push-ups, as many as I can. Then I'm working on my abs. Do as many as you can. Then I do some air squats. Then I take 30 seconds and then I do some burpees. Time to train the arms. Do some dips. Wide open arms, push-ups. Core training is super important, so I do the plank for around a minute. While I'm doing the plank, I'm training my body balance. Alright, now it's time to work. Thank you very much for watching this episode. Now it's time to get some work done. Right now I'm editing a video for Normal. It's for the Slikhaar product line, which is out in over 300 stores. Alright guys, in these difficult times I'd like to hear what is your own Corona routine. What are you doing in self-isolation? Please comment down below, and remember that we'll give away some hair products for one of the most inspirational routines in the comment section. See you guys.